Welcome to Guide with Samuel, your go-to channel for quick, clear, and easy-to-follow tutorials. In this video, I'll walk you through how to delete your Temu account in 2025, step by step. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Start by launching the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to delete. Step 2. Go to the U section. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile area, where all your settings are located. Step 3. Tap the settings icon. In the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Choose Account Security. Now scroll down the settings menu until you see an option called Account Security. Tap it. This section controls your password, login methods, and account management options. Step 5. Tap on Delete My Temu Account. Scroll down once again and find the option that says Delete My Temu Account. Tap on it. At this point, Temu might ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Just choose the one that applies to you and continue. Step 6. Verify your identity. Before you can delete your account, Temu needs to make sure it's really you. You'll be asked to enter a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Enter the code in the space provided. Step 7. Confirm deletion. Once you've entered the code, a final confirmation screen will appear. It'll warn you that deleting your account is permanent and that all your data and order history will be lost. If you're sure, tap the confirm button. And that's it. Your Temu account has now been scheduled for deletion. The process is irreversible, and your data will be permanently removed according to Temu's policies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more short, useful tutorials like this one. Got a topic you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.